It's game 4, and it's time for B to turn it around. And my piece of advice to Brandon was, quit trying to wrench on it. Just play bowling.
I don't know. I'm just watching bowling today.
We are watching bowling. So recapping after day 1, it was 43 feet. I bowled okay. Mediocre at best. I mean, I was minus 80. Mental game was really good. I tried every ball in my bag. I only missed 2 makeables out of 6 games. And it unfortunately had to be in both 210 frames. So, you know, there wasn't much more I could ask for. I fiddled with hand positions. I tried different speeds. I tried, don't you say, a fair amount of stuff?
You did try a fair amount of stuff. And I didn't have a problem with you changing balls because we talked about it. We had a good plan going in there.
Yeah.
But you just got a little bit trapped there in the I'll say games 2 through 5 that
basically the whole block.
Well, no.
That is kind of the whole block.
Game 2, you bowled a pretty good game. You didn't have any score to show for it.
Yeah.
Game 3, 4, and 5 is where you got lost, but you were trying a couple of different balls, trying to figure something else that would, let me say, start to happen, and unfortunately, it never happened.
Yeah.
You were making reasonable passes at the ball,
yeah,
but your ball wasn't reading the lane anywhere close that it needed to, so therefore, unfortunately, you weren't producing any score whatsoever.
Yeah. So now we're here. We're going to watch Brandon. He's got 6 games on 43 feet again. Different type of volume, though, because it's the men, and we're hoping that he can come out way better than I did.
Well, it's a different volume, different shape, but we're just going to see how things play out for him. He's got a couple of different ideas, some tricks in his bag, and, well, I'm going to say it this way. As a bowler, every time you come out, you cross your fingers and hope that you've got the right trick.
He is Brandon Bohn.
Yes.
Day 2 is going to be better.
Trust. I hope it's sincerely better, because if it's not better, it's really going to be catastrophic.
Okay, it's 36 feet, it's short. I don't want to jinx myself, but I do like short. I like throwing my double cross, so, you know, purples, I don't know how y'all throw purple hammers.
We roll it down the lane like we do every other ball.
Oh, okay. Do me a favor, guys, drop a comment below. Is the purple hammer the best urethane out there, or do you think there's something better?
Click, click.
In my opinion, it's the double cross.
You're allowed to have your opinion, but I think that you're going to get overruled by a lot of people.
Probably.
turn it around. And my piece of advice to Brandon was, pretend the first 3 games are over and there's 30 frames left. Quit trying to wrench on it. He does that a lot when he's in trouble. Just play bowling.
Not gonna lie, I actually thought it was like game 5 because he's been bowling that bad that it seems like it's taking so long to bowl. He's 78 under after 3 and just bowled 130. 130?
140.
140, close enough. Still really bad for Brandon. This game is much better.
You listen to your mom?
Clearly, I don't listen to my father. So,
I don't know.
I mean,
I just added some mom knowledge. And the mom knowledge was don't wrench on it.
well, see, the dad knowledge is all about lane play. The mom knowledge is all about what is going on upstairs.
At that moment,
And she keeps it simple.
it wasn't
Well-
good.
Dad just doesn't say the right things sometimes.
But he says the right things
A lot of the
a
time.
lot of times. But you need a little sprinkle of mom.
Just need a little pip in your step, you know?
Do it again.
Alright.
That's 10 frames. You have 20 more. We said 30
frame at a
frames.
time.
We said 30 frames ahead of you. Yeah.
Okay, folks, now we've got 2 games to go in this block. So we're going to go like this, and we're going to hope that he at least stays on board and continues that pace, because it will really make him feel a lot better going into bed tonight. Because right now, I'm going to tell you right now, he might be sleeping under the mattress instead of on top of the mattress.
I did. I willed it down.
I have no words after today. We tied at -9.
I was never on the rails.
I fell off the rails.
So Dad's not in this post-game interview because Mom got him on the road to recovery. Dad, try again tomorrow.
Better luck tomorrow, at least for me. But more importantly, it's all about Brandon.
You know,
Hi, Brandon.
some days you're the Starbucks cup, and some days you're the drinker. And today I was the Starbucks cup for the first 3 games.
What the hell
What
does
is a
that even
Starbucks
mean?
cup? What does that mean?
Some
Everybody-
days you're the dog, some days you're the fire hydrant.
Well, see, everybody knows that one, so
So
You
you,
gotta-
had to be different.
no, you
No.
gotta reinvent the wheel sometimes. So today, the last 3 games, I was a drinker. Much more satisfied. The first 3 games. Okay, well, all right. So the last 3 games, I bowled 670 to get to -9, and clearly, whatever Dad was telling me, it was not feeding me.
Can I tell you, am I allowed to make a mistake? Or do you think maybe it was the operator?
Yeah, I'll definitely say it was the operator, actually. But Mom got to me. And she told me to bowl like myself.
told you you had 30 frames left to make 30 great shots. And you needed to put the first 3 games behind you. And when you get in trouble, you need to go back to making it simple again. And you were wrenching on it, and you were trying to make your ball do something that it couldn't do. And you need to get out there and to make some really good shots and get the ball off your hand cleanly and just let it read the lane.
All right, so moral of the story.
Mom's a better coach than Dad.
I didn't say that.
No.
No, but we were all thinking it. Tell me I'm wrong.
Anyway, thanks for cutting me off again. Moral of the story. Mom's always right. If you want to believe it or not,
Wow.
Mom's always right. So that's going to wrap up day 1 at Team Trials.
Day 2 will be better. Promise.
It's not looking pretty, but sometimes pretty works.
Well,
I mean,
What is
not so pretty works.
I can assure you that if you just kept doing what you were doing, it was going to be really ugly.
Yeah, sometimes the 7s work. And mediocre work today.
Just think, I get more play tomorrow.
Comment on
Subscribe,
this.
comment down below. We're talking about urethane balls. So what's your favorite urethane ball? You think the purple?
Heck no.
I think the double cross. Anyways, hit that notification bell when you subscribe so you guys never miss a new video from the Bohn Legacy. And?
Sure. Mine's the Black Widow, clearly. So, we'll see y'all on the next one, but make sure you like and subscribe. So, see ya.